This tutorial is for Biography in Context, a database of biographical information for over 500,000 individuals. This database offers several unique ways for users to find the content they need. In this tutorial, I will cover browsing, filtering results, basic search, advanced search, saved items, and search history. The home page of this database showcases people in categories that are currently popular, such as people in the news. This format allows users to easily locate more information about the most talked about people. Let's find a topic page to drill in and look a little closer. Selecting any of the hyperlinked names takes the user to a topic page, which organizes all of the content connected to that person, including news, magazines, academic journals, videos, images, and more. The topic page gives a user an overview of what's available in the database for that individual. But drilling down into any one of these categories of content will give the user additional information about the person within the category selected. For example, selecting news will direct the user to all of the news results, which can be further filtered to find exactly what the user is looking for. On this screen, you will see a variety of options that will allow the user to filter the results further, such as limiting by a subject, by a document type, by a publication title, or a newspaper section. For example, if I wanted to find out more information about Jimmy Fallon as it relates to The Tonight Show, I could select this link and limit it to those 32 options. Within these results, we can also sort. The sort options available are by document title, by date, by relevance, and by content level. The content level is also indicated by these shapes along the side. This allows users to filter for results that are pertinent to certain age groups, such as if using this product in an educational environment such as a school. Let's go back to the topic page. What is interesting about a topic page is that it also gives the user a fact box with some basic information about the person that is being profiled. Selecting more facts will give additional information. Each topic page also has a biographical profile, which will give the user biographical data about this person. For users who want to browse a greater selection of people, there is a Browse People option. The default setting is to show the user people who have been recently profiled in the database, but there is a drop-down menu that will allow users to select other lists of individuals within the database. For example, I could choose American Supreme Court justices and be taken to a list of those profiles. All of the hyperlinked names lead to the topic pages that we looked at earlier. If a user is looking for biographical information on a specific person, there is a basic search option at the top of every page. The default basic search setting is to search on a person name. The search will autofill suggestions. Names in bold italics link directly to the topic pages. Searches that don't exactly match an existing topic page will return results with suggested people. For example, here, when I just search for Obama, I get a list of all people with Obama in the name. These search results can also be sorted by relevance, by name in ascending or descending order, by birth date in ascending or descending order, or by death date in ascending or descending order. In this case, we saw that President Barack Obama has a topic page, but not all of these people will necessarily have a topic page associated with them. Selecting the name of a person you are looking for will return all documents pertaining to that person on a search results page similar to a topic page where one does not exist. So as you can see, the results for Sasha Obama still give you information about that person, but the profile is not as robust as the topic page that we saw for Barack Obama and for Jimmy Fallon. Users can also use basic search to search for people by occupation, nationality, birthplace, and death place. Search results will look similar to the results based on name. As with person name, search terms don't have to be an exact match. As you can see, my search for writer returns persons with an occupation of writer as well as other occupations containing the word writer, such as children's writer, and synonyms such as novelist. Again, selecting these hyperlinks will take you to a topic page or to a search results page, depending on whether or not there is a topic page for that person. Now we'll talk about advanced search. Biography in Context offers two kinds of advanced searches. The first is person-focused and is called the person search. This advanced search allows users to search on multiple criteria about a person at the same time. For example, we could use this search to find African American athletes born after 1950. As you can see, I can also search on nationality, on death year, as well as the name, place of birth, place of death, all of the options that we saw up in the basic search. This search option is ideal for users who are searching for a subject with specific parameters but don't necessarily have a specific individual in mind. As you can see, the results for this search will look similar to those for the basic person searches we performed earlier. There's also an advanced search option that is more like the traditional advanced search that users might expect in most databases. This search allows users to look for articles or other items of content primarily by publication features, such as full-text documents, peer-reviewed journals, publication date, the type of document, the content type, which we saw in the topic pages, that the content was broken out into these categories, the content level, basic, intermediate, advanced, depending on the age group that you might be searching for content for, or you can do the same thing using a Lexile range. Your basic features up at the top of this advanced search include searching on a variety of fields within the content. Subject would be would also look at the person names that we looked at earlier. Subject would include person names. So for example, since the Olympics just finished, I might want to look for information about the Winter Olympics. And I'm going to limit my search to full text documents. And I'm guessing most of my results are probably going to be news. That's what I'm most interested in. If I'm doing this for a class where I'm introducing kids to information about the Olympics, maybe I might pick the basic content level. Doesn't look like anything matched my search, so I'm going to remove one of my limiters to see if that will open up my options. And here we go. Now that I've removed the limit on the basic content level, I have over 13,000 results that I can filter further. As you can see, I can filter based on the year of the Olympics or the location, the publication title again, or by document type, or even by the section of the newspaper that the article appeared in. I'm going to limit my search this time to the most recent 2014 Olympics. And I'm going to open up one of the results to show you what that looks like. Within the results, we have a variety of options for things that the user can do with the articles that they find. The articles can be bookmarked or downloaded, shared, a variety of options here. One option we'll talk about is the save option. You'll notice up at the top there is an option for saved items. And in order to save an item, you can select the save icon within an individual item, or when we're back on our search results screen, if I want to save these from here, I can also save them by selecting the save item on the left of the item. Now if I go into saved items, I will be able to see that list of items that I saved earlier in my searches. The last feature that I want to look at is the search history, which you can also see at the top of your screen. Selecting this option should show you a list of all the searches that you've executed in that session. This page will allow users to select the search to re-execute it, or to select the revise hyperlink to modify the search and run it again with additional or fewer limiters on the search. So for example, if I select the search that we did on the Winter Olympics, and then I revise that to say have a publication date in 2014, that will limit the search results that I get. And I can do that without having to plug in all of the items that I already used in the search. And see, we've now got the search number down to 2,400 results rather than the 13,000 that we had before. Well, those are all the features that I have to show you today. This concludes the tutorial on searching within biography and context. Thank you for watching.